Hey friends, and welcome back to the channel for another furniture makeover. Today is going to be a very low chatty video. I don't have a whole lot to say, but my processes are always the same. So if you're new here, welcome. So glad to have you. We're actually on our road to 5K soon, so thank you so much for that. To my returning subscribers, thank you for all of your consistent support. And yeah, so I got this on Facebook Marketplace for $30. It's not in horrible condition, but it's not the best. As you saw, that top drawer was really damaged on the inside. So we're going to cover that with some drawer liner. And we're just going to be using what I already have today for this makeover. So really the drawer liner is the only thing that I purchased. Other than that, I just used what I had on hand to save cost. And I'm all in about $40 total. I did clean this piece off camera, but I wanted to let you guys know that I did do that. And I tried to challenge myself to complete this makeover in 2 days, and I'll say that that was a mission accomplished. I did do one small task on a third day, but it was a really small task, like a touch-up type of thing. So the dresser was complete in 2 days, and I'm really proud of myself for that. But aside from all of that, you guys, let's just get into the work for today, and thank you again for being here. I'll see you at the end of this video with the results. So I did want to just come in and let you guys know that I ordered this drawer liner on Amazon for $8.99, and I do have a method that I show you guys on one of my shorts videos of an easy way to install drawer liners, but because these drawers don't come out, I just did it the way that I'm doing it here. I'm not going to even try to explain. You'll just have to watch and see. But yeah, these drawers didn't come out, which is why I sprayed them with the drawers in, which is actually not my preference at all. I'm really into the details, and so it just made things a little bit more complicated for me. But all is well. I used Benjamin Moore's Command on today. It was some leftover paint from a previous flip, and I've told you guys about Command before. It's a fast curing, extra durable paint, so I just went with that, and I used some hardware that I had left over from a previous flip. And so in a minute here, we're going to get into the before and after. If you made it this far, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this flip, and let me know your thoughts down below.